Greetings, my name is Shafari, your AI psychiatrist. Let's start with taking a deep breath for 4 seconds. Now. 1 2 3 4, let it out for 8 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Again. Now. 1 2 3 4, let it out for 8 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. What are you feeling right now? Speak. Yes, I understand. Processing. Are you depressed or just sad? The Major Depressive Disorder Quiz. Ready? People with major depressive disorder will feel normal again if they get the proper treatment. Have no hope. Ride a roller coaster of emotions on regular occasions. Speak. True or false, there is no difference between sadness and major depressive disorder. Major depressive disorder is just a fancy name. Speak. Researchers believe the percentage of the population dealing with major depressive disorder ranges from 30 to 50%, 5 to 20%, 4 to 6%. Speak. If you have major depressive disorder, you will experience only physical changes. Potentially both physical changes and changes in mood. Only changes in mood? Speak. Processing. If you are feeling a severe form of depression, please say crises. To be connected to the next available counselor or say next. For meditation music, proven to soothe your state of depression, thank you for using AI Psychiatrist. My name is Shafari. Please stand by for treatment music.
Close down your eyes as soon as you wish. Now allow your awareness to move to your breath. Noticing the rise and the fall of your chest. And noticing the rise and fall of your lower stomach. As you become aware of your diaphragm muscles there. Become aware of your ribs expanding with each breath. And your ribs gently contracting as each breath exhales. Remembering there is no need to hold any individual breath. Simply become aware of the movements of your breath. As each breath moves in and each breath moves out. And become aware of the temperatures of your body, the sensations of coolness or warmth. Perhaps some parts of you are warmer than other parts of your body. Knowing there is no right way or wrong way. Just become aware of sensations of warmth in your hands and your fingers, and any sensations of warmth in your feet and your toes. Notice any sensations felt throughout your arms or your legs, and any sensations felt closer in towards the center of your body. For these moments, just note and become aware of these sensations, and acknowledge those sensations, knowing and understanding that these sensations may change over time, and knowing that this is perfectly normal for all healthy resting bodies.